Wagwan Generals, welcome back to another video. How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good today. And today we got the long anticipated video, man. We gon' I don't even want to say it, but you gonna see the title anyway. But this video has been long coming, man. So we gonna get this video started. Well, whatever, man. We gonna run the B20 hatch against the B16 purple hatch. Y'all saw the hatch in the video before, but we gonna do a little clip on it and stuff, and then we gonna get to the runs, man. We gonna put that run in. We gonna see how good this thing is running. So, let go. Yeah, man. So we are on the way to get this little video. Gotta get my car warmed up. We can give it some little hits. Wanna see how she does, you know what I mean? But yeah. Do a few runs, probably do like a 40, probably a 20 and a 60. See if we can get like 3 runs against the B16. So I just want to see where the car is at stock, and then I'll start doing some upgrades. And then, you know, the B16, I mean, that car is expected to win. We all know this. More horsepower, but and it depends on other supporting mods, and this is stock, so yeah, stock for stock, you know, B16 is superior, but we gonna see how this do, man. How it does, you know what I mean? So I'll see y'all there. Yep, so we going to that. We headed to Mexico right now, where it's free and we can have fun. About to get this run in. It's right ahead of me. Car feels good. I'll probably do a little video where I am, a little video where I'm showing you the car, what's done to the car and all that. Yeah, we're still running it, man. Still running. Going to the spot. Hey, we can do a 20 or a 40. Huh? For my dig? Alright. You. You left before me, man. He left before me, man. But this is moving. Damn. Oh my gosh. Jesus. Woo. Woo. Golly. Yo, he did not leave me. I was right on him. What? I had to do a voiceover real quick before y'all start laughing. Spinning ain't winning. We know this. It ain't winning. I can't lie to you, man. I got more torque, and the road is a little gravel on the roads. I was spinning like crazy. My boy took off. You feel me? He took off. But I'm impressed with the car, man. I love it. Oh my God, that was dope as hell. That was dope as hell. And he left. He left way before me. Could have been a closer race. Oh my gosh, yo, I was spinning like crazy. I was spinning like crazy. Man, that was fire. We're about to do a 20 roll. We're about to do a 20. B16, bro? Yo, no way. I'm telling you, he's not leaving me like not crazy lit. And I started in second. I should have started in first. Yo. Yo, I'm hoping y'all catching this, man. Golly. Hey, I'm shifting like crazy. I'm shifting like crazy. This car is nice. Oh my gosh. I should have started in first. I don't know why I started in second. On a 20 roll. Man. Crazy. Huh? Yeah. Bro, that was a good run. Yeah. I love this B20, bro.
Yeah.
How the heck is it keeping up?
What do you mean?
You got a damn B16.
You're supposed to be beating me.
Heck no.
Yeah. You got way
I
more
can't.
torque. Why you think I'm hitting the gas and revving it real high? Because I make high horsepower at the top.
Wait, what did you start in? Second?
For the roll?
20, yeah.
No, I was at first.
Oh, I started in second.
Yeah.
I should have started in first. I don't know why I did second.
Just wait till I get John's car. I'm gonna whoop your ass with John's car. It's not the engine, it's the driver, bro.
No, I started in second. I know I should have started in first, but I started in second.
It wouldn't have mattered.
You sure?
Yeah.
Nah,
Yeah,
bro. I was shifting like crazy. You see, when you catch second,
Yeah.
I was already in second, so I had to just draw it out. I don't know why I started in second. I should have started in first. Man. Well, it's my first time really running the car, so it was a good runs. I can't lie to you. About to go home now. Driving the car. Now you see I'm driving the car. I'm driving the car, man. Golly. Hey, man. wasn't pushing the car, y'all can't say anything now. You cannot say anything now. This car is moving. I am so impressed with this car, man. I'm telling you. I am so impressed with this car, man. Oh my gosh. There you go. Yeah! So good! Let's go! Alright. Oh my gosh! I love it! Whoa, 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 whoa! That car just threw me to the side. What the heck? What the heck was that? That was weird. I definitely need an alignment. Car just threw me to the side. Whoa, whoa. I gotta take it easy. I gotta check that out. Yo, I'm telling you, man. I'm gonna do a proper outro, but that was fire. Yeah! And that's the end of the video. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, man. This video was so fun. Let me know if you want to see more of these videos. There are some, well, we had a talk after, and it was debating on who should win and this and that. So I got a B20 with a GSR trans. He got a full B16 swap, SI swap, so trans, everything. So we all know the B16 got more horsepower, so it's more power up top. But the B20 got more torque. Now, the road is not prepped. So, bro, I was spinning like crazy. So, ain't no way I was going to beat him from a dig. I started off late, too. Y'all saw the video. But I had fun, man. For the 20-year-old, man, amateur hour, man, I started in second. No excuses, man. Winning is winning. My car though, it was pulling hard to the right, like real hard. The car dragged me to the right. So I gotta figure that out first. I gotta get a proper alignment and get my suspension dialed in and all of that. And we can see if we can get some more runs. You know, we gonna get some more runs in, you know what I mean? And maybe if you got a couple more cars, you saw the white car. If you'd ever seen that, go check my previous videos. He got a white EK hatch, B20 swap, same like my car, I think. Different trans. I don't remember what trans it is, but stay tuned for that. I'm going to get my car sorted out, and then we going to get some more runs in, man. I appreciate y'all again. Thank you so much, man. Bless up. We out.